model, 2019 Renault Master 35 long wheelbase, curtain cider CHASSI cab needs gearbox body, white, curtain cider mileage, 159,738 MOT, the 28th of February 2024 engine, 2,299 cc M9TD7 front-wheel drive 145 transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect, gearbox is noisy, will need replacing 4th and 5th gear don't exist, still drives fine grin condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740119